Hello, hello.
Hi, Vlad.
Yeah, I wish I could just be going here instead, but no, I wish. Instead of going there, I'm going to St. Luke's Hospital right now for major surgery. Getting two of my spinal discs replaced in my cervical spine. I actually got injured many years ago. It was really stupid. It was a snow tubing accident. I had a head-on collision with a barrier. Shouldn't have happened, but it did. Eventually I did mostly recover. Last year, after coming back from New York City, my second trip there, the thin membrane in my spine just kind of gave way when I was carrying Chris. You know, from all the years that I was carrying her in my arms. Turns out, after an MRI and x-rays, I have no choice but to get this surgery to replace my discs. Anything else would be basically like a band-aid. Yeah, there was therapy, yeah, there was stretching, but in order to really get a fix, it will require a surgery that I'll be having tomorrow. The doctor that's going to be operating on me, Dr. Miguel Ramos, he is a true professional. And from everything that I've gathered so far, it seems like he is absolutely the right man for the job. So as nervous as I am about this, at least the fact that my spine is going to be in good hands, that's something I don't have to worry about so much. And here we are, St. Luke's. Hello. Thanks. Right. First thing is admissions. I went through this 3 times already with Chris when she was getting surgeries over here for her feet. So different, huh?
One debt to society later.
Yeah, I've been through this elevator ride before. It feels so unique now. Nice view back there, huh? I love the architecture, the artwork over here is really cool. The room is pretty close to the front desk, which means it's going to be a little bit noisier, but at least not right in front of it. Nice, small, comfy room. Yeah, that looks like me.
And we will check your height and weight.
Sure, all right. Super flat pillow. Whoa.
Yeah. After you open it.
Yeah, this place is going to be my home away from home, and tomorrow morning is the big day. You don't want to be away from me tonight, huh?
Okay, 36.
36, not bad.
1, 2. Okay, good. 98.80. And then blood pressure. Okay, 120/80.
Yeah, 120/80, that's picture perfect. Textbook perfect, actually.
And then no medical implants.
No,
Okay.
not yet.
Then we have to get your height and weight.
Sure.
At the station.
I did, but it wasn't available.
Yes, unavailable.
Yeah, all right. Let's go get me weight and heightened.
Closer, 79 point.
79.5 and
187.6.
187. Oh man, I thought it was higher. Shoot. 187.6. Thank you. Should I tell the truth about my height? Yeah, fine. Damn it, I'm not as high as I thought. 187.5 centimeters, but the weight is 79.5.
Kuryente na naman.
You're welcome, Norman. Miss Lucky over here is already enjoying the blanket. All right. Each soap is wrapped with biodegradable paper, while its pouch is assembled from repurposed bed linens. Now, let's look at what's inside. Handcrafted towel, little bars of soap, artisan shampoo bar, bath soap, and artisan conditioner bar. There's a dental kit and a hair comb. Pretty simple. And last but not least, there are also these slippers.
Galing po kayo mag-Tagalog, sir.
Konti lang.
Kunti lang.
So crazy to be looking at my veins like that.
Great technology.
How long has this kind of technology been around in hospitals?
I think 10 years.
Okay.
Pumpkin. Okay, sir. On three. On three. 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath. It's done.
Not very enjoyable.
Huh?
I would give that a 4 out of 10 enjoyment level. It's not a big needle. It's
It's not a big needle.
It's a medium needle, I would say. All right. Yeah, not too bad at all.
That's DJI
No, it's a Insta360.
Insta360.
Yeah, it's a 360 camera.
A little later.
Now all that's left is for me to try to get a good night's sleep, since I'm going to be having a very interesting morning. I'm going to be a bionic commando with titanium alloy stuck on my neck. Yeah, it's going to be a nice upgrade for me. Alright, this is it. I'm about to be taken to surgery just past 5 a.m. I had actually a very decent sleep, believe it or not. But yeah, 6:30 is when the start of the procedure, and then I'm gonna have a new spine, or at least parts of it. Wish me luck.
8 hours later.
And so, this is me, post-op. I am alive, I made it. Gonna be wearing this neck brace for a while and staying here for a couple of days. And here is my first meal after the surgery. Now, technically I should really be leaning more towards the liquid foods. So this one will only go as far as I can tolerate it. I haven't eaten since 10 p.m. Last night. Right now it's already 7:30. As you can imagine, I'm pretty hungry, but surprisingly not starving. Yeah, getting blood drawn again. That's always fun. Not really. Let's do this.
Alright, deep breath. 1, 2, 3.
I mean,
Open your hand.
I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say, oh.
You can open your hands, sir. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Well, good.
You'll take a better photo when I dress it, most likely in the clinic.
Oh, what is this?
That is ink.
Oh.
I had to draw on your neck, so I guess the nurses forgot to clean that
Oh, it's
area.
funny. Okay.
This is your wound. It is 4 centimeters. I said 5, right?
Yeah, that's
I made
right.
it smaller.
Nice.
All right.
Great job.
And these are your X-rays. So that's the side view. So we did do the
okay.
3, and I was very happy we did. You know why?
Yes.
Because actually, the last one that I did, wow, there was a big bone pressing on your right nerve also.
Oh, thank you so much. That's
So
awesome.
that's the second bone, third bone. So we did the 4th and 5th, 5th and 6th, and we did the 6th and 7th. So
So-
these we planned. This one we last minute we did this one.
Okay.
I mean, we discussed right before the surgery, right? So it's good. It's a good thing I put on my coat. So this is the front view. That's of course your head. That's your new neck, bionic. This kind of rotated, so don't worry. I think this is of course you're lying now when you stand
Oh,
up.
yeah, sure.
But it fit where it was supposed to fit.
Oh, okay, okay.
So sometimes it's not. Sometimes this is a bit here. This is a bit there. But this is perfect. It's actually just 1 millimeter away from the center. Because if I tried to put it to the right, it would still go back to the same place. So
I see. Okay.
that's the normal anatomy of your neck, the center of it.
All right, that's great.
So yeah, so overall a successful surgery. Can I just see the drain? I'm just worried the drain will just come out, but it looks good.
Too bad there are no pockets or anything like that. I would
Yeah,
keep it in a pocket. Like a pocket watch, you know.
Exactly.
Even when the operation is being performed by somebody as skilled and professional as Dr. Miguel Ramos, there's still an inherent risk. So, yeah, I'm glad I'm still here. And yeah, he did an exemplary job. Replaced 3 discs in my cervical spine. Now I am upgraded. I am a bionic commando. No, but I do have titanium alloy discs in my spine, which will give me an additional 30 to 40 years of high quality components in my back, instead of having to deal with arthritis that I was already developing because of the
physical damage that was done to my spine. I am now extended, so this is awesome. And now I'm going to be going through recovery. Anesthesia is still wearing off. I'm feeling fine right now. Hopefully the pain is not going to be so bad later.
6.5 hours later.
Yeah, the pain is now here. I'm kind of trying to limit how much pain medication I'm taking. Doesn't really hurt that bad, but I do have a cut in this side of my neck, and also there's a hole right next to it collecting some excretions, let's just say. And this little sack that I have that I'm carrying around. Just general discomfort all around. My neck, my shoulders, my arms, my throat especially. Feels like somebody punched me in my throat, especially when I'm eating or drinking or swallowing anything. It's really not comfortable, but it's just a matter of time until I'm gonna get better.
The next morning.
It feels like you're tearing my neck open.
Sorry.
Like low level, my neck being torn open. Ugh, oh. Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm not.
Give it one big breath. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good job. Okay, good.
Not enjoyable at all.
Definitely. Okay, I'll be passing it by here. Okay.
I'll be alright eventually. Yeah, the surgery just started just under 48 hours ago, so.
Yeah.
Alright, so now at least I don't have that tube in my neck anymore. It's gonna be easier to recover. Here's breakfast. This is actually, I would say, one of the more basic kind of meals that I got here so far. Still, I'm sure it's gonna be quite enjoyable. St. Luke's has some good food available. And more mashed potatoes. Yeah, lucky me. Checkout day. Part of the process is finally getting the IV removed. About time. Been having this thing on too long. Oh my god, look at this. Looks like I'm turning really bald already. I lost hair on my face and seemingly at the top of my head as well. Last day and breakfast is here. This time I got salmon, which I normally don't really go for, but I'm sure it's great over here. Guess what? More potatoes. I think somebody found out that I'm from Ukraine, so they keep on feeding me potatoes. Very good food over here. I just have to really mention that one more time. Really delicious meals every single time that they give me something. Yeah, well, over here I got massively poked and prodded. I got so many holes on me. 2 more over here. Over here. And yeah, they really punctured me all over the place. To be very clear, of all the hospitals I've ever been to, St. Luke's Medical Center in BGC, Taguig City, is really the most impressive medical establishment I've ever been to. Between the years of volunteering for hospice in New York City, to visiting my dad when he was sick with leukemia, and Sloan Kettering Medical Center, which is considered to be the most premier cancer center in the world, St. Luke's Hospital really does it right. The people that work here, the equipment that they have, the overall cleanliness, the attentiveness of the staff, and everything in between is really world class over here. I can't believe it, just 2 days ago, essentially, I had the surgery. And I'm very, very pleased with absolutely everything and everybody that I've come across over here. So thank you very much, St. Luke's Hospital, and particularly thank you very, very much to Dr. Miguel Ramos, because he is now my saint. Thank you to everybody involved. Okay, this is it. Checkout time. Just have to take care of the ginormous bill. One way or another, I have to deal with it. And then that's it. Packed everything up. My wife Chris is here. Miss Lucky's here.
And yeah, we're gonna be leaving now. Yeah, everybody here has been great. I really love the quality of service. The people here are just fantastic. Every single person that we interacted with is really just amazing. Every doctor, every nurse, every attendant, the people bringing the food, the cleaners, obviously the doctors, anesthesiologists, absolutely everybody has just been so phenomenal. I cannot say enough good things about this place. St. Luke's Hospital is just the best. Bye everybody. Fixed me up. Now it's time to go home and to recover. It's going to take a few weeks for me to be wearing this plastic hard brace. Then I'm going to be switching to a soft brace in 2 weeks and then wearing that one for, I don't know, another several weeks after that. Now we're just going downstairs. The car is not quite there, but we're going to be catching a Grab to go back home. Normally we'll be making a walk because it's only like a 10-15 minute walk to our place. You know, BGC is a very walkable city, but you know, considering that we have a lot of stuff with us and I'm not exactly at 100% right now, energy-wise, yeah, taking a car is definitely going to be a better idea. Alright, so there's been a little snag. We still need to get a gate pass. Got the gate pass. It's still warm from the printer. Hopefully they're just loading up into the car while I'm going downstairs. Yeah, that's a process in itself. By the way, check out the view right here. Metro Manila is a beautiful city. That being Makati in the far distance.
Going down pa yan.
Is that the car? Is that the car? Oh, they're waiting for the car. Don't tell me the guy left. That'd be really shitty. Hi.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. Oh, is that it? That's our car? Okay. So, now that we're loaded in the car and driving home, I can safely say that this is where I'm going to be closing out this video. If you liked it, please do hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Always take care of yourselves and each other. And of course, keep looking out for more fun and exciting videos coming at you from the Time Lapse Traveler. I'll see you in the next one, with a new spine this time.